everyone, it's a Halloween time and today we are making a very bloody drink, Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary is a very simple drink to make. A classic recipe of Bloody Mary is just vodka and tomato juice. But trust me, if you are a bartender, your bar guest will expect a little bit more from you. And I'm going to give you an ultimate recipe for Bloody Mary that everyone is going to love. First of all, Bloody Mary is served with a salt, so we're going to get the rim of the glass salted. And we're going to build our cocktail in a highball Collins glass. The good question to ask your bar guest would be whether they like the Bloody Mary spicy or not spicy, because a lot of people prefer the Bloody Mary spicy. So we're going to use a couple dishes of Tabasco sauce. If you are like me who don't like the taste of Tabasco sauce, you can always use any other hot sauce. 2 dishes of Worcestershire sauce. I hope I say it right. Half an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Make sure it's freshly squeezed. 2 ounces of vodka. Today we're using this great top shelf vodka Syrah. Let's add some ice. And fill it up with Bloody Mary mix. Make sure you shake it before you. Now let's give it a good stir. Bloody Mary can be shaken. Just make sure all the ingredients mixed well together. Just like that. And let's garnish it. You can get creative with it. Normally Bloody Mary would be garnished with some olives, lime wedge, a celery stick, and since it's a Halloween Bloody Mary, we can do a spider floater. Now let's taste it. It's delicious. It's just right amount of spices. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching Fancy Cocktails. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great holiday. Drink responsibly. I'll see you next time.